brand new to Mac and thinking I need CleanMyMac because everyone says Macs get cluttered. Pause for a second. The biggest thing new users misunderstand is that a Mac is not like old Windows PCs from 15 years ago. Modern Mac OS already handles a surprising amount of maintenance automatically. What new Mac users, you, really need to know. 1. Your brand new Mac probably does not need CleanMyMac on day one. A lot of new users install cleanup apps immediately. Usually, there's nothing to clean. Mac OS already manages caches, storage optimization, and maintenance tasks in the background. If your Mac is *new *fast has plenty of free storage, you may not notice much benefit initially. 2. CleanMyMac is a convenience app, not a magic speed booster. The newer version has expanded into a broader Mac care hub with cleanup tools, performance tools, clutter finding, and health recommendations. But don't expect instant FPS gains, huge battery improvements, make my 5-year-old Mac new again results. Many slowdowns come from browser tabs, heavy apps, aging hardware, or low storage, not junk files. 3. Learn these built-in Mac tools first before paying for anything. Know where these live. Storage management, rightward arrow, Apple menu, rightward arrow, about this Mac, rightward arrow, storage activity monitor, rightward arrow, CPU and memory hogs, login items, rightward arrow, disable startup apps, disk utility, rightward arrow, disk health and repair finder, search, rightward arrow, locate giant files. These solve a lot of beginner problems. 4. Community opinions are extremely divided. Reddit discussions are all over the place. Some users run it for years without issues, others think cleanup utilities are unnecessary or overhyped. A common concern from advanced users, overcleaning caches can sometimes create temporary slowdowns while Mac OS rebuilds them. 5. Download carefully. There have been recent warnings about fake sites impersonating CleanMyMac and tricking users into installing malware. Never install software from a random search result or copy/pasted terminal command. Use the official site only, CleanMyMac official site 6. The use case where CleanMyMac actually makes sense. It becomes more useful if your Mac is 2 to 5 years old, storage is constantly full, you install/uninstall lots of apps, you want scan and suggest fixes instead of hunting through menus. Its newer redesign was specifically simplified to be more approachable for less technical users. Simple recommendation by user type: brand new Mac owner learn Mac OS first. Busy user who wants automation CleanMyMac can save time. Power user you may prefer native tools or utilities like Onyx. Low storage Mac owner CleanMyMac becomes more valuable. The biggest mistake new Mac users make is thinking they must install a cleaner. The Mac itself already does a lot. CleanMyMac is mostly paying for convenience, visibility, and automation, not because your Mac cannot function without it.